Right, muri yeZimbabwe toda kuti titaure zviri kuitika right now. Toda kuti tinyatsokutaura zviri kuitika right now. Tine mafans Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Mafans Advocate Nelson Chamisa anovafarira for a very long time, who will stand with Advocate Nelson Chamisa no matter what. But also we have people who would say, you know what, we are principled. We follow principles, we respect principles, we respect, strategies and stuff. And those people, right now, they have become a problem. Make sure to tear this video. Right now, those people have become a problem to the whole opposition, if we might say. So, Turichi Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa, as of right now, are Pama1. And Nelson Chamisa right now are Pama1 from, some of the people who were supporting him. Let's get into this. Let's get into this, the situation right now. So, what's really happening? Chirikuitika nechokudaiso ndechekuti muZimbabwe mune ZANU-PF, muna Emerson Mnangagwa, who is the president right now, and muZimbabwe have suffered yatoti political violence, have suffered yatoti briberies and stuff. So is this situation unique to Zimbabwe, Chete? We don't think so, but we are not going to get into the other countries. Not now. But I'm going to go even to America, bribe kuriko, but vakakupa mazita, vanokuti lobbying, vanokuti chi, and it. But anyway, let's get into this. So, there are people who are hardliners, people who say Chamisa must take action, people who say if Chamisa is the leader of the opposition party, he must make a move, he must take action. So what action are these people asking for? What kind of a move do they expect from Nelson Chamisa? So we all know, in 2018, after Nelson Chamisa disputed the elections, he went to the courts, and then after the courts ruled that Chamisa didn't have the V11s, didn't have this and this and this, Chamisa ended up saying the courts are bought, the courts are in the pocket of Mnangagwa. And it showed hapana use yekuenda court, hapana chinogadzirisika nekuenda court, according to Nelson Chamisa. That's what he was saying in his part. Come 2023, the opposition again got into the elections. Again, they disputed those elections. But this time, havana kuenda kuma-courts. Vachiti ivo, tagara toziva kuti justice system in Zimbabwe is already captured. Right? So, from doing that, Nelson Chamisa gained new, we cannot say enemies, but political opposers. People who were once with him, but who say, Nelson Chamisa, you are not doing enough. Because in reality, is that you have to go to the courts, you have to fight until the last drop, and you have to do everything according to the law. And if the justice system is crooked, we have to see it in real time, not to just predict that justice system is crooked and then we don't even try to use it. Zimbabwe isusu but the Mtapa Times hatina side, hatisikuti Nelson Chamisa are wrong, hatisikuti Nelson Chamisa are right. But that is a decision for you to make. And fungwa dzenyu toida kudzinzwa mu comment section. So hande kumberi ngatichaura kuti Nelson Chamisa right now ari Pama1. So we know pakazobudikira Chabangu achibira Nelson Chamisa CCC. And Nelson Chamisa again did nothing about it. Again, these people again saw Nelson Chamisa as if he's too soft or too weak or just, a man who is just lacking action. So, what kind of action are these people looking for? What are they saying Chamisa must be doing? Especially now that Mnangagwa Akupinzira Amendment Bill number 3. What are these people asking of Nelson Chamisa? These people are asking of Nelson Chamisa to take action. Achishedza zvinhu zvakafanana nema-demonstrations. Let there be demonstrations. And this is what people are saying. Peaceful demonstrations. Don't the law allow that? Don't the constitution allow that? So why is Nelson Chamisa not doing just anything? And then pozouya takanzwa isusu pakabudikira uyu achitaura kuti kwanzi Nelson Chamisa, as a matter of fact, as of right now, hanzi I respect a man anobuda akimunyika umbonogara kana kuamerica and stuff, but if you start pretending online as if you are in the country, uri munyika muzimbabwe, you are suffering with the people, then I lose respect for you, because the struggle muzimbabwe is what is real. Tose takainzwa that message akabva kuna nditiani, a person who is, I think, is an MP in Triple C, right? Zimbabwe. So you can see that there's a growing, number of people who are opposing Nelson Chamisa now because of who he is or how he handles business. Zimbabwe, do you think Nelson Chamisa is just not doing anything? What is he waiting for? He's waiting for what? For God to come and produce a miracle? Zimbabwe, isusu hatisi kuzoti faith is bad. Hatisi kuzoti maybe Zimbabwe, God will do something. Maybe God will do something. Maybe God will do something. We don't know. Maybe someday, the Zimbabwean government or even Mnangagwa or the military will just say, you know what, now we want free and fair elections, and then we go from there, and maybe Nelson Chamisa will win those, and then he becomes president. Maybe that's what he's praying for, or he knows something else, right? So Zimbabwe, imi muri kuzvionera kuti vanhu vari kuwanda vari in opposition of Nelson Chamisa, vanhu vari kuwanda vari criticize Nelson Chamisa. We also know that even some of his closest allies at some point had to criticize him openly. Vana Tendai bit, they thought Chabangu coming in, stealing the part, was partly Nelson Chamisa's fault. Was partly Nelson Chamisa's fault in the way that he structured the Triple C, or in the way that he didn't structure the Triple C. But some say actually wana biti ndo wakaisa structure yakapinza Chabangu as Secretary General. Right, Zimbabwe, Triple Panapa them tapas times. Mose muri kuona zviri kuitika. Hatizivi kuti mimi munoona sekuti Nelson Chamisa is lacking right now. He's supposed to be doing more, or he's actually just doing the right thing. We don't know, but we really want to know zvamuri kufunga imimi. So pane vazhinji vari kuaccuse Nelson Chamisa kuti Nelson Chamisa actually in reality akatengwa, akadya mamillions. Takaona vakomana vana atheists paFacebook vachibudisa vachiti gold is in it, rather than tozvati motto yaChamisa is God, Mwari is in it, God is in it. But vakomana vakuchinja iko zvino izvi vakubudisa Nelson Chamisa chine zidumbu chakaisa scarf yekwaED. Nelson Chamisa neslogan yake yachinjwa yakunzi goridhe is in it, gold is in it. So mukatanga kuona zvinhu zvakadaro from people who have always been like more like Democrats, people who always support the opposition in a country like Zimbabwe, and yafana paFacebook, socialites and stuff, they are now mocking Chamisa. They are now seeing Chamisa as if this guy have sold out the struggle. And then there's a story yokuti Chamisa ari kuAmerica, and then Chamisa have done nothing to prove that he's not in America, and it becomes more like, come on man, this guy is actually a sellout. But Isusa will never call Nelson Chamisa a sellout. We know there are people who stand with Chamisa. We respect them. So, but Chamisa is still standing. He's still saying no to 2030. He's still criticizing Mnangagwa. Right now, he have posted Herald, a page Herald. 2025, President Mnangagwa, right? No, I will persuade the persuaders who try to persuade me to extend my term. I will persuade them to not do that. And so we know Nelson Chamisa, he's still in the struggle, according to his posts. So Zimbabwe, the Mtapa Times, you will never miss any important update, any important analysis, any important commentary when it comes to what's happening in our Zimbabwe state. Thanks for watching.